Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the CINFIN Securities Day-End Market Roundup for July 28, 2026. Today, the Colombo Stock Exchange ended the session on a positive note, with both the benchmark indices closing higher. The All-Share Price Index, ASPI, gained 41.92 points, or 0.2%, to close at 21,229.14. Meanwhile, the S&P SL 20 index advanced 12.66 points, or 0.21%, ending the day at 5,961.40. Overall, the market maintained a positive sentiment, with buying interest supporting both the broader market and the blue-chip counters. Moving on to today's market activity. The total market turnover stood at LKR 2.02 billion, reflecting healthy investor participation during the trading session. Total crossings amounted to LKR 1.19 billion, contributing a significant share of the day's turnover. The companies that recorded the highest turnover for the day were RIL Property plc and Hatton National Bank plc, non-voting. Meanwhile, the total market capitalization of the Colombo Stock Exchange stood at LKR 7,726 billion at the close of trading. Now, let's take a look at today's investor participation. On the purchase side, domestic investors accounted for 2,037 million rupees, representing 99% of total purchases. Meanwhile, foreign investors recorded purchases of 17.75 million rupees, contributing the remaining 1%. On the selling side, domestic investors accounted for 976.72 million rupees, while foreign investors recorded sales of 1,041.39 million rupees. As a result, foreign investors represented 52% of total market sales, compared with 48% by domestic investors. Overall, the market recorded strong domestic buying interest, while foreign investors emerged as net sellers during today's trading session. Let's now look at the top gainers for today's trading session. Leading today's gainers was Kerner House Global Solutions plc. It was followed by Wasgadua Beach Resort plc, which also recorded a strong upward movement. Ceylon Hospitals plc secured a place among the day's top performers, followed by Balangota Plantations plc. Completing the list of the top 5 gainers was Tess Agro plc. Now, let's take a look at the top losing stocks for today's trading session. Leading the list of losers was Milan Developments plc. It was followed by Bansai Royal Resorts Hekadua plc, which also ended the day lower. John Keells plc, one of the market's blue-chip companies, was also among today's top losers. Eden Hotel Lanka plc reported a decline during the session, while Sarvodaya Development Finance plc completed the list of the day's top 5 losers. Now, let's look at the top positive contributors to the All-Share Price Index. Colombo Dockyard plc was the largest positive contributor to the ASPI during today's trading session. It was followed by John Keells Holdings plc and Commercial Bank of Ceylon plc, both of which provided significant support to the index. ACL Cables plc also contributed positively, while National Development Bank plc rounded off the list of the top positive contributors. Finally, let's take a look at the top negative contributors to the All-Share Price Index. Sampath Bank plc was the largest negative contributor to the ASPI during today's trading session. It was followed by Ceylon Grain Elevators plc and Tokyo Cement Company, Lanka, plc, which also weighed on the index. Windforce plc reported a negative contribution, while Nations Trust Bank plc completed the list of the top negative contributors. That concludes today's market roundup. Thank you for watching the CINFIN Securities Day-End Market Roundup. Stay tuned for more market insights and updates from CINFIN Securities. Have a great evening.